it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout. And today I'm scrapping these 3 photos of my 2 youngest grandchildren. Their older brothers are in school, so they get lots of alone time with Daddy. And on this day, they went to the park. And this is early in March, which in the area I live can be really cold. But this was actually a nice day where they could just be out in their little spring jackets and enjoying the park. So I'm going to do kind of what I typically do, which is arrange the 3 photos in a line across the top of the layout. If they're horizontal orientation, I'll do it down the side, often just one of my go-to configurations. And I am mounting that on the navy paper, which is called the all-boy plaid. And then I just cut the strip, the vendor information, off of that very busy background paper. So I want to separate that background even more and give the photos that pop of red. So the red paper there is the Go See Do paper. And I'm sorry, this is all from Echo Park Play All Day. I'll tell you if it's anything other than this. So it's all Echo Park Play All Day, the navy paper, the red paper, and also that like treehouse background paper. And that background paper is called the all boy paper. Sometimes I'll leave a little bit of the background paper revealed at the top. I decided not to do that today just because it was so busy. I decided it was good as it is, and you get to see a lot of that crazy pattern in the background on the bottom, but it's not too disturbing. And I have this journaling card, but it has a dinosaur on it. I like the blue, so I'm going to hide the dinosaur there. And that journaling card is from Echo Park. It's from one of the boy collections that's older, and I don't remember which one it is. So I'm just going to pop that in. It's a kind of a turquoise color that works with the clouds in this particular paper. So I love the way this is all kind of coming together. I have this great big treehouse piece of chipboard, and that came from the chipboard accents from Play All Day. And I'm going to put that right there to really draw your attention to that journaling card. I think it does it anyway. Your attention goes there just because it is such a large swath of the turquoise color. But, wanted a little bit more attention. There is a Play All Day sticker there, but it's not going to work. It's not going to work. And then I find this Adventure Await sticker, and this is the sticker book from the Echo Park Play All Day, or I'm sorry, this is the All Boy collection. Sorry, not Play All Day. I think Play All Day was one of the papers, so the All Boy collection. All right, so then just doing a little bit of moving around. I did find that play sticker in the sticker book as well. Those things are huge. They have a ton. All the stickers repeat once in the book, but they're well worth it. I think they're about $9.99, but oh my gosh, you get tons of them. They're like the hashtag sticker books, full. And it's great if you have boys. I have a ton of boys, so I have sticker sheets. I have that sticker book. Lots of boys in my life. All right, so I was thinking about trying to use that flag, but that's not going to work. I want something up in this top corner, but I don't want it to be too too big. I love that photo of my grandson, the way he's looking down. My stepson obviously used his portrait mode on this because the background blurs really beautifully on that. So I thought I would kind of highlight. I mean, that's one of the highlights. Obviously, your focus goes right into his big sister because the slide is all red and the treehouse is right below. And I know the treehouse is not at the playground, but it reminds me of children playing, so that's why it's on this layout. So I am still looking to see if I can find a sticker or something that I like here. I'm just having the darndest time with this. And I think what it is those borders are a little bit too wide for a lot of the phrase stickers on this layout, and I wanted the color to like draw attention to itself. So see, just that Go See Do kind of blended into the red. I'm wanting to use this Discover banner because he is discovering like leaves there, but it's just not appropriate. I don't know what it was. I didn't love it. I didn't like the way it kind of hung down over the photo in this particular case with all the layers. I just couldn't get it to work for me. It was probably fine. Then I see this Game On sticker, and I like that green because it kind of balances the green from that big treehouse chipboard piece and all the green on the bottom. So it brings a little bit of green up to the top. That's one of the reasons I like that Discover banner, but it just wasn't working. So I just added some of my foam adhesive, and I was much happier. It gave that sticker a little bit more presence. That's the other thing, is it felt very flat. All right. So now I decide I'm going to add in some star stickers from that book. So I'll just find a couple that work in different colors and scatter them all over the layout. Just in little spots here. And colors that work, I put 3 of them on the bottom and 3 of them on the top as well. Move that blue one around, just get the red on there so you can see it. And then I'm going to move that. And then the last thing I'm going to do here is add some navy enamel dots from the Carta Bella Let's Travel collection. So I'm working on using up that piece. And these are a perfect navy if you're looking. I don't know if they're still available because it is an older collection, but it is a perfect navy for these, for when you need a navy dot. All right, you guys. Upcoming, you'll see the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.